Apple buys motion capture company Faceshift. Zenefits may have let unlicensed agents sell insurance. Help fund 3D printed wheels for needy pets, and more. It's Wednesday, November 25th, and this is Crunch Report. Happy holidays, everybody! Almost anyway, we're still here. Apple just bought another company, and it's called Faceshift. It's a startup based in Zurich, that's in Switzerland, that makes technology to create animated avatars and other figures that capture a person's facial expressions in real time. Now, there were reports earlier this year that Apple might buy this company. And of course, as usual, Apple had no comment on that. But TechCrunch has learned that several Faceshift employees are now working for Apple out of Europe. So, why does Apple want this technology? Gaming experiences obviously use avatars, already a pretty big deal, but also film, where animation technology can be expensive and take forever to render. There's also this little nugget. Faceshift's technology was used in the latest Star Wars film to make non-human characters more human-like in their expressions. Pretty good company. Congrats to you, Apple. Cloud HR platform Zenefits may, emphasis on may, have let salespeople illegally act as insurance agents in at least 7 states. This is according to a BuzzFeed report, which claims that Zenefits had unlicensed brokers selling health insurance dating back to 2014, which has led to at least one investigation in Washington state. Now, Zenefits has already been here before. The Utah Insurance Department previously looked into claims that the startup was illegally giving insurance software away for free. Regulators at that time said that this violated local laws and that it was unfair to traditional insurance brokers, although the complaint was eventually thrown out. As for this latest report, Zenefits executives may have known about the violations and may also have gotten sales agents licensed in the state only after learning of the Insurance Commission's investigation. State records show 22 agents became licensed brokers just days after the news of the state inquiry surfaced. Zenefits has since launched a license management system to help track which sales agents should be doing what they are doing. Today, Uber is launching a way to let drivers receive and accept nearby ride requests while they're still finishing their current ride. So, if the closest Uber still has somebody in it, but could finish their trip and get to you more quickly than an empty car that's further away, you can now hail that closer driver. The company confirmed that after limited testing, the feature is now rolling out globally. Now, for Uber, the quicker it gets people to their drop-off point, the faster drivers get back into the vehicle supply pool. That's great for us. With back-to-back rides, arrival times get shorter. Everybody's happy. But for Uber drivers, this is even better. Back-to-back rides means less money spent for gas, more rides overall. So even though Uber might not be paying them a higher cut, they're still earning more, potentially anyway. So with so many Uber drivers now on the road looking to make this a viable career, sometimes a full-time career, this is really Uber's biggest challenge. Now, back in October, we told you about Google's plans to speed up web browsing on mobile devices, since that's where everybody browses these days, mobile devices. The company now says we'll start seeing the results of the Accelerated Mobile Page Project, or AMP, early next year. Thousands of publishers have already shown interest in having their pages optimized, and why wouldn't they? CBS Interactive, Al Jazeera America, AOL, which owns us at TechCrunch, plus a variety of ad partners, Outbrain, OpenX, DoubleClick as well. The project was first kind of compared to Facebook's Instant Articles. That's a competitor program of sorts that hosts publishers' content in Facebook's news feed, quicker load times, richer media options, consuming less mobile data as a consumer. That obviously eases up on prices for us. Now, Google says its AMP developer community has grown to over 4,500 members, and the project's GitHub page has over 250 pull requests, contributions of new codes, samples, documentations, the whole nine. Now, until it launches in 2016, you can give it a try at g.co/AMP demo. Do it from a mobile device, search for a news term, and see how snappy it is. And now for our feel-good story that we've been waiting for all 5 minutes. You're gonna love this one, guys, I promise. Turbo Roo. He's a little dog born without his front legs, but was given a new chance thanks to 3D printed wheels, and he has some pretty awesome parents who've announced a project called Pawsthetics to help all different kinds of animals with special needs who could benefit from 3D printed parts get them. Their Indiegogo campaign is looking to raise $50,000, which would cover projects, designing, and even the end result, which is the prosthetics themselves, including a 3-legged dog cart and versions for other animals like bunnies and lizards and guinea pigs, and it runs the gamut. Leg braces, little wound covers as well. Turbo's family said that they receive 1 to 2 new requests each week from people with special needs who have heard about this technology and they have pets and they want to help, but they don't have their own resources. So give a little if you can for our furry friends. And that's where we'll leave it for today and the week. I am Sarah Lane. Thanks for watching. Crunch Report airs every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. We're taking the rest of the week off for the Thanksgiving holiday, but we'll see you on Monday. Until then, you can catch up with us on iTunes and on YouTube as well. See you Monday.